In this episode of Fenugreek Machining, we are dealing with the thing I have to do every spring. Well, it's spring or early summer, however you take it. Not a lot of snow. Okay, so anyway, there is a thing I need to do every spring because the Finnish nature, here in Nordics, the nature when it comes spring, the growth of grass, for example, it just explodes. So you, you have to do your lawn mowing every week at least, probably even more frequent than that. And therefore, you need to have a good machine to do your lawn mowing. And we have one, but I need to see that it's in working order, and that is exactly what we are going to do today. So let's inspect the patient. So this is our patient. It's a Honda lawnmower. And it's not very old, but it's not the newest model. So I believe this was actually manufactured in Japan. And it has some things that modern lawnmowers don't have. For example, it doesn't have any belts. There is really a shaft going, because this is like going itself. So there is a real shaft and gears, and no belt. And furthermore, there are no belts for the blades, etc. That's a really good thing. So what I will do now is to inspect, clean it up a little bit, and then inspect the air filter. After that I will run it for a while to warm it up, and then I will change the oil. Well, that was easy one. I didn't change the oil because if it doesn't need that, there is no sense in changing oil that doesn't need to be changed. You can manage with that oil this season. And it runs good. The smoke you saw, it was because I tilted it, and then when I started there is some oil in the carburetor after that. Well, that's why it's smoking, but that's already done. And it starts. And then, about the lathe. At the moment it's mummified in Germany, and I expect it to arrive here in Finland maybe this week, end of this week, start of next week latest. And after that we have a lot to do with that one. Till then, see you!